What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another video, another tutorial. So we're going to be talking about undefined and null values right here. So both of them used to or means nothing, but in a slightly different ways. So undefined is a value the JavaScript uses when it doesn't have a value for something. For example, if you create a variable and then if you don't set it his value, and then it will give you undefined. Yeah, let's see that example really quick. Right here, if we just do let's just do price equals to, oh yeah, well, let's not set it. So we're trying just not to set it, and then we do a show message. We do the variable name price, and then semicolon, and then we save that, and then update our page, and on the browser there's nothing right there, right? And we cannot see anything. So let's console log, and then let's just do price, and this should show us. Save that and refresh it. Right here give us undefined, right? So now um, when do we use null? So that's a pretty good question right here. We use null is used when we want to deliberately say this is empty, right? So basically, if you feel the need to set the variable to nothing, you should use null all the time. So let's see that. Let's see, equals to null, and let's save that. Okay, that gave us null right there. Yeah, usually if you are undecided, for example, let's pretend what is your favorite fruit, and then you know let's just do right here fruits. Is that how you spell fruits? Fruits. I think it's fruits, like that. So let's pretend you're like, oh yeah, I have a lot of fruits. What is your favorite fruit? I got oranges, apples, and there is a list of different fruits, and then you cannot decide which one is it. You're like, oh man, okay, let's just do null because I don't know which fruit I like. There's so many of them. And then if there is another developer that comes a few years later or maybe 2 months later, come and see your code, and they're going to say, oh, let's fruit variable, it's equals to null. I guess this guy never was able to decide which one he likes, right? Or sometimes, you know, undefined, if there is like I said before, if that variable is not set to a value, the developer will come, oh yeah, this guy never had the chance to come and just define it, right? So but anyway, so hopefully this makes sense to you. If not, just let me know on the comments. Anyway, okay, that's it for the video. Hopefully you liked it, and this helped you. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. All right, have a good night. See you next.